Good morning, students. Wie geht's dir? Geht es dir gut, schlecht, langweilig, super oder was? So, today's online session is about Lektion 2. We have already started chapter number 2. In last class also, we have done Gespräch 2, conversation number 2. But before I'll begin with their bites book today, I would like to know from you all that have you all done your work in a notebook or on a pen page? Please write down in the comment section below because I need to have your feedback, student of 7th class, whether they have done their work or not. You can subscribe my channel and you can watch all the videos of 7th class. With the help of those videos, you will have an idea whatsoever I have done. And I have made one video also in which I have explained all the students about the work of Arbeitsbuch. The work of Arbeitsbuch should only be done in Arbeitsbuch, or you can do the work on a page, but don't do the work of Arbeitsbuch in a pen page. So let's begin with the video now, online session. Listen, in our last class we have done Gespräch, and today I am going to teach you something very important, which is unregelmäßige Verben, right? Which means irregular verb. In English also and in German also we have two type of verb, regular verb and irregular verb. As you can see in a picture, the irregular or unregelmäßige verbs undergo a change in the conjugations of du and ers forms. The endings, however, are retained in all forms. In sixth class we taught you rule of ending: e, st, t, t, en. This is what we have done in 6th standard, right? 7th also the rule of ending will remain same, but irregular verbs are those verbs which may change their spelling while conjugating. You can have a look in the picture only. Just look at the one which are highlighted with blue color. The one which are highlighted with blue color, look at them. Du, liest, siehst, nimmst, isst, sprichst, triffst, hilfst. Can you see them? In all these, they are changing their spelling. Like lesen become least, sehen become siehst, nehmen become nimmst, essen become isst, sprechen become spricht, treffen become triffst, helfen become hilfst. So you can see the case in SES: liest, sieht, nimmt, isst, spricht, trifft, hilft. Rest of the subject will have the same conjugation. They will only change with the subject of du and SES. This is what you have to keep in your mind. With the help of these verb conjugation, we have one question in our Arbeitsbuch, and I am giving you the solution of essen, nehmen, fahren, lesen, sehen, verlassen, and fangen along with their meaning. Rest 3 verbs you can do with the help of your layer book, or you can try to do it on your own. This is very simple. You just have to put your focus on du and SES and see. Irregular verbs are the verbs which change their spelling while conjugating, and when I'll be talking about regular verb, it will be opposite of the same, because regular verbs are the verbs which do not change their spelling while conjugating. This is very simple. One has to change and one will not change while conjugating, right? I will give you some more example of regular verbs also. Like you can see, we have gehen, yes, trinken. These are the example of regular verb, because I will conjugate them with ish, du, SES, but they will never change. But when it comes to these verbs which are given in your layer book, they will always change in the case of du and SES. So this is all for today. Please note down these verb conjugation in German notebook, because these are very, very important. Verb conjugations in German are very important. Note down the same. And again, I am giving you a gentle reminder that write down in the comment section below that you people are updated and you are watching all the videos and your work is done till here. So please write down in the comment section below, and Thank you. Have a nice day. And don't forget to stay home, stay safe.